All right, thank you, Victoria, and some others for reminding me I didn't get this up. I went pretty homesick after school, but I came back to class for you guys. Okay, here we go. Let's see. So for each of these, it says try to use a system of equations to solve both. So we're trying to come up with two equations. I think I did the first one in class. You got the answer right there. If you need it, so I'm going to erase it for space, but you can hit pause. Oh, I forgot. I can't erase it. Never mind. Okay, here we go. Number 2. Okay, a little smaller than that. Okay, number 2. The public pool is $5 per session, and the private pool is $3 a session after $20 membership. At what number of sessions will their total cost be the same? So we've got public, and if I'm gonna say like their cost, then their cost is $5 per session. So $5 every session is their total cost, T. And it says for us to use cost as T and $5 per session, S. So 5S is equals T. And then the private one is $3 a session, $3 for every session, plus a $20 membership is what T equals. So there's your two equations. I would probably use substitution on this one since you know that T is equal to 5S. Just plug that in for T on the other side, solve it, you'll find S, you'll find T. So you're looking for when, at what number of sessions will the cost be equal? So I guess they want both the sessions. What is the sessions and at what cost will they be equal? So yeah, when is their S and T equal? D, Jim bought 2 pounds of apples and 1 pound of bananas for $12, okay? Sherry bought 2 pounds of apples and 3 pounds of bananas for $20. What is the price of apples and bananas? Okay, let's see. 2 pounds of apples plus 1 pound of banana for $12. Okay. Sherry bought 2 pounds of apples and 3 pounds of bananas for $20. All right. We have 2 true statements. We can use those to figure out. I'd probably use elimination on this. I'd probably put this one underneath that one and then make everything negative and get rid of the 2 A's and see what you get for B, then plug it back in and see what you get for A. Let's see for O. At Superburger, Mike bought 1 drink D and 4 burgers. So a drink plus 4 burgers equals $27, okay? Steve bought 5 drinks, and 2 burgers plus 2 burgers for $18. How much do they charge for drinks and burgers? All right, I'd probably use elimination. I'd put this one under here and then make everything negative 5 times bigger so the D's cancel out. And then try to figure out, plug it back in to see how many burgers you have. For N, at the movies, the Lee family bought 3 child snacks, and they say use C for that. Okay, so 3 C's and 2 adult tickets and 2 A's for $55, so that equaled $55. The Bender family bought 2 child's tickets and 4 adults for $74. How much does this theater charge? So for this one, I'd probably use elimination as well. I'd probably put this one under here and make everything negative 2 times bigger. So the 2 turns into a negative 4 and we'll cancel out the 4 A's. So you have to do a little bit of work there. For O, let's see. Cooper Ballpark charges $7 per ticket T, $7 for a ticket, and $3 to park, plus $3 to park. Good Foods Ballpark charges $6 per ticket, $6 per ticket, and $10 to park. At what time will the cost be the same? So that equaled the cost at this field, and this equaled the cost at that field. So now, if I know C is equal to 7T plus 3, I can just plug in 7T plus 3 in for this C, and I would use substitution there probably. So 6T plus 10 equals 7T plus 3. Let's see, Y. 2 times a number x, 2x, plus a second number y, is, whenever you see is, that's equals 3. The first number, which was x, plus 2, plus 2 times the second number, plus 2y, is negative 15. What are the two numbers? All right, for this one, I'd probably use elimination. I'd put this underneath that one, and I would end up probably multiplying it by negative 2 to get to make this negative 2y, and the whole equation. So negative 4x minus 2y minus 6, so the y's cancel out, and then I would know what the x's were worth. Let's see, W. Joe's age, J, so I'm going to use J age, is half of Martha's. Okay, whenever you read something like that, you can literally plug it in word for word. Joe's age, J, is, that's equals, is half of Martha's, is 1/2 of Martha's. Combined, their age is 42. So J plus M equals 42. What is their ages? Well, if J equals 1/2 M, I can plug in 1/2 M for J, and I get 1/2 M plus a full M is 42. So then you'll get, what, 3/2 M is 42? Use 2/3 to cancel out the 3/2, and you get M is 2/3 of 42, which would be what? Which would be 42 divided by 3 is 14 times 2 is 28, maybe? Let's see, B. Marjorie's age, M, is equals 3 times Jack's, plus 5 more, plus 5. The sum of their ages, so Marjorie plus Jack, is 65. What are their ages? So for this one, I would probably use substitution because I already know what M is worth. I would probably plug it in over there and figure out what J is and go back to my original equation and do that. I have to post this pretty quick, so if you guys want actual help on solving those, I'll make another video. Just send me a text or send me a message. But yeah, here's this part. Okay, good luck. Bye.